name's Doug. My call is W4DBG, and I'm one of the administrators of the Alabama Link. What we're going to do is just show you a little bit of an overview of what it's about, and what we do, and what we offer. This is our website you'll see first. Feel free to surf around, and if you have any questions about anything, go to our website, drop us an email, go to our Facebook page. There's plenty of options. So we try to connect every mode in amateur radio together and with call sign routing. So we'll start with D-Star. As you can see, we have xlx.alabamalink.info, and it is our XLX multi-protocol gateway reflector. It supports D-Star and DMR. We have a 6-channel transcoder that allows us to transcode from D-Star to any of the other modes. Speaking of the modes, YSF or C4FM or System Fusion is part of the system. There's our dashboard for that. We also have NXDN. You'll see that on NXDN, Brandmeister, DMR, and P25, we use talk group 31010. 31010 is our talk group number. And here's our P25 reflector dashboard. We also have Echolink and All-Star. We're connected to the International Radio Network, or the IRN that it's called. And you can find a lot more information about all this stuff by visiting our website, alabamalink.info. And you can even see our dashboard that will show all of the things I just discussed on one page, and even more than what I just discussed. So this is just a test run of doing videos with this program called Screencast-O-Matic. Hopefully we'll get better at this, and we'll have some more informative things that you can hopefully get a lot of use out of. So that'll be it for video 1, but thanks for watching, and return back, and maybe we'll catch you on the radio.